Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely cook polk salad. It is essential to correctly identify young, tender polk shoots, typically less than 8 inches tall, as mature plants contain more toxins. Always confirm your identification before foraging. Remember, never consume raw polk salad. Its preparation method is crucial for safety, ensuring all naturally occurring toxins are neutralized. After foraging, thoroughly wash your polk salad shoots under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, place the clean shoots into a large pot and cover them completely with fresh water. Add approximately 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the water. This helps draw out impurities. Bring the water to a rolling boil and cook the polk salad for exactly 20 minutes, ensuring proper initial toxin removal. Once the first 20-minute boil is complete, carefully drain all the water from the pot. Rinse the polk salad thoroughly under cold running water, which helps to cool the greens and remove any lingering residue. You will then repeat this entire process 2 more times, adding fresh water for each subsequent 20-minute boil, for a total of 3 complete boils. This meticulous repetition ensures the polk salad is fully safe to eat. After the final boil and rinse, gently squeeze out any remaining excess water from your polk salad. This prevents a watery final dish. On a clean cutting board, roughly chop the greens into bite-sized pieces for easier eating. In a large cast iron skillet, render approximately 4 ounces of diced bacon or salt pork until crispy. Then, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the skillet, sautéing until fragrant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.